Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to glam makeup look for a night out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Starting out, I'm just going to be prepping my skin using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I really love this product. It leaves your skin so smooth and soft, and it's just the perfect base for applying any makeup. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Lucas Papaw ointment on my lips, just to make sure that they're nice and moisturised by the time I apply my lipstick. So today for foundation, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Warm Ivory. And with this foundation, I basically just draw onto my skin. It's really quick and easy to use. And then I just buff it in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. I really like this product for days where I am in a bit of a hurry, because as you can see, it's super quick and easy to blend in. For concealer, I'm going in with one of my favourites, the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. This one's a little bit light for me, so I'd like to get it in another colour. I'm thinking light medium. If any of you guys have used this one and you have any recommendations for what colour you think I would need, then feel free to leave those in a comment down below. Make sure you take the concealer onto your eyelids as well, just to even out any skin tone on your eyelids. So I get, my veins tend to show through on my eyelids, so this is a really important step for me. To contour, I'm actually going in with a new cream contour product, and it's the Smashbox Step by Step Contour Stick. Basically, I bought it and it came in a 3-pack. This was the packaging that it came in, and it's a 3-pack. So you have the contour, the bronzer, and then also a highlight shade. So I'll be testing that out today to see how it goes. So with the contour colour, I'm just going to be contouring my nose. Along the cheekbones. How ridiculous does this look? Okay, now we blend. Okay, so it's a pretty good colour actually, and it blends out really easily. Finding that it's blending really nicely into the skin. And to blend out the rest of the contour, I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques contour brush. Okay, so now I'm just going in with the bronze shade, and I'm just going to add this to the places that I would normally bronze. And again, just blending that out with the same Real Techniques brush. Such a nice product, it blends so nicely into the skin. Alright, now I'm going in with the highlight shade, and I'm just going to be highlighting down the bridge of my nose. And just the usual areas that you would highlight. So now on to highlight. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlight in the shade Liquid Starlight. And I'm just putting one drop on the back of my hand. Just be very careful with this product. You only really need a little bit. A little goes a long way. And then just using my ring finger, I'm just going to be lightly dotting that on the very top of my cheekbones. You can see it gives a really pretty highlight. This product here is a really good dupe for the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. And for the price, I think it's such good value for money. And to set under my eyes, I'm going to be using the RCMA No Colour Powder. Now before you set your eyes, just make sure you go back in and blend out the concealer just in case it's creased. Always do this just before you're going to set the under eye, because the last thing that you want to do is to set any creases. And I'm just going to be setting the rest of my face with the Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless Powder Foundation. For blush, I'm using my absolute favourite, which is the Balm Cosmetics. I think this one is the Hot Mama blush. It's just such a pretty peachy shade, and I find that this colour just looks good on all skin tones. Now for just a little bit more glow, I'm going in with the Too Faced #Blessed Highlighter. So for the eyes, I'm going to be starting out using the shade Sandalwood from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and just using soft round buffing motions. I want this to look really soft and blown out, so I'm going to actually take it out towards the end of my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to be using the MAC pigment in the shade Tan. I love this pigment. It's such a pretty colour. I feel like it looks good on every eye colour. And I'm just going to be spraying my brush with some Fix Plus to really make that pigment pop. Just applying that to my eyelid. Now just going in with my MAC 217 brush, I'm going to apply some of the shade Cocoa from the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to apply that to the outer third of my eye. And just using circular motions to really make sure that everything's blended and there aren't any harsh lines. To line my eyes, I'm going in with my trusty old Maybeline Master Precise Liquid Liner. And for the lower lash line, I'm going back into the shade Sandalwood. To smoke out the lower lash line some more, I'm going back into the shade Cocoa and just blending that along the outer 2/3. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And now just popping on some lashes. So I'm just going to go off camera and finish off my other eye and also my eyebrows, and then I'll be right back. So to finish off the look, I'm just going to be going in with MAC's lip liner in the shade Soar. And now just applying the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick over the top. So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did like it, then please hit the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. If you want to see more videos like this, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!